Buying your first home isn't just a money move, it's a life move. It's about stability, memories, and taking control of your future. But how do you know if you're really ready? In this video, I will walk you through the emotional and financial signs, judgment-free, to help you decide if now's the right time. Your first home is more than a place to live. It's space to grow, to build equity, and to move towards long-term financial security. And if you've been renting for a while, you get it. Rising rent, limited control, and no return. When you buy, you're investing in you. You gain stability, freedom, and the powerful feeling of knowing this is your place. But you don't need to have everything figured out or a perfect credit score. What you need is a plan and someone in your corner. That's why I'm here. So let's break it down. Renting versus buying, so you can weigh it out yourself. Renting pros: the flexibility to move, fewer responsibilities, and no big upfront costs. Now the cons: your rent can increase, you're not getting equity, and you can't customize your space. Buying pros: you build wealth over time, you have predictable monthly payments, and total freedom to make it yours. Cons: you handle the maintenance, higher upfront costs, the down payments and closing costs, and less flexibility to move quickly. Bottom line, both are valid based on your life stage, but buying makes more sense when you're ready to put down roots and grow long term. Here are a few signs that you might be financially ready. Do you have a steady income? Do you have savings towards your down payment and closing costs? Have you checked your credit score? Is your debt to income ratio in check? Ideally under 43%. And do you have that emergency fund for surprise expenses? Don't have it all yet? That's okay. There are programs built just for first-time home buyers to help you close those gaps. Now let's talk about emotional readiness. Are you ready to stay in one place for 3 to 5 years? Are you ready to handle things like maintenance or repairs? And are you comfortable with making big decisions or asking the right questions? If you're saying yes to most of these, you might be more ready than you think. A common myth: it's cheaper to buy than rent. Well, that's not necessarily true. The right choice depends on your situation, not what's trending online. So yes, buying your first home is a big deal, but you don't have to figure it out alone. If you're thinking, I might be close, let's make a plan together. Subscribe so you don't miss the next video, where we'll dive into budgeting, credit score, and the pre-approval process. You've got this, and I've got you.